Welcome to Continental Cuisine Shorts. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a classic recipe for Austrian Schnitzel, a beloved dish that is sure to impress your taste buds, crispy and tender. This breaded and fried veal cutlet is a staple of Austrian cuisine. So let's get started. Ingredients: 4. Veal cutlets, salt and pepper, 12 cups all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs beaten, 1 cup breadcrumbs, vegetable oil for frying, lemon wedges for serving. Instructions: pound veal cutlets to 14-inch thickness and seasoned with salt and pepper. Set up a breading station with flour, beaten eggs and breadcrumbs in separate bowls. Coat cutlets in flour, dip in beaten eggs and press into breadcrumbs. Heat vegetable oil in a skillet and fry cutlets for 23 minutes per side. Until golden brown, transfer schnitzels to a paper towel-lined plate to remove excess fat. Serve hot with lemon wedges and enjoy with your favorite side dish. Enjoy your delicious Austrian schnitzel.